I've lost 126 pounds on the Weight Watcher Blue Plan. If you'd like to see what I eat in a day, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a what I eat in a day video on the Weight Watcher Blue Plan. I will take you along on my day with my meals and we'll see what we can get into. So if you'd like to see what I eat in a day, and come on along and share the day with me. I always start my day off with a nice big glass of water. I fill up my water jug so I know I have a gallon a day, and then I will drink these as I go through the day. I'm not one that likes my water ice cold because I can't drink it fast, so I do like to drink it at room temperature, so I'll keep it out and drink it the rest of the day. Drinking your water is good for you. Make sure you get it in however you can.
Walking and drinking water are two good healthy habits I like to start the day off with every day. It gets my day going on the right direction. While I'm walking this morning, I'm listening to my book of the month for May. It's called The House I Grew Up On. And that's what I'm going to be listening to this month. Great way to combine reading and exercise. It's entertaining. The walk is done. Time to go make some breakfast.
This morning I am browning up some Ore-Ida shredded hash browns. They are 2 points for 1 1/4 cups. And I'm making some breakfast for me and my husband this morning. I have those in the pan. I'm going to brown them up. This is one of my favorite go-to breakfasts. I have 2 fried eggs over 2 points worth of hash browns. I have a 1 point piece of bread and 0 points of sugar-free strawberry jelly. I found this brand here. It is Polaner sugar-free with fiber strawberry preserves. It comes in blueberry and apricot, and it is only 1 point for 3 tablespoons, 0 points for 1 tablespoon, and it is really good tasting sugar-free jelly. I like to let the eggs run out over the potatoes. And then of course I'm having my iced coffee with some Premier Protein. So that's my breakfast for this morning. With the coffee, it is a total of 4 points for the breakfast. About to take a ride to Aldi's. I ran out of stock coffee, so I have to go there and I will pick up a few things that I need. I see there's a Hobby Lobby next to this Aldi, so I'm gonna run in there first. Maybe I'll pick up some decor. This is what I bought at Hobby Lobby. Pretty good saying. At Hobby Lobby, I got this cute little table. I wanted a little taller one, so I picked that up. And I love this sign. I'm going to hang it up pretty soon. Here's my quick Aldi's haul. I got a piece of salmon. I got some top sirloin to make. Some 96% fat-free ground beef. A bag of carrots. A package of sweet corn. 4 cans of tomato sauce, some grape tomatoes. The reason I went there, my stock coffee. I got some almond vanilla milk unsweetened, 3 bags of frozen vegetables, some onion soup mix, some peppers. I'm gonna make some stuffed peppers, and a bag of white rice. I also got a jar of this Casa Mamita salsa con queso. It's only 2 points for 3 tablespoons. And you could serve it with vegetables, or I think I'm gonna bake some tortilla strips tonight. That's what I picked up at Aldi's today. Quick stop. I'm going to make some hard-boiled eggs in my Instant Pot. I use the 5-5-5 method. I put a cup of water in the Instant Pot. Then I will put my eggs in there. Then I'll put the lid on. Make sure the vent is closed. And set it for 5 minutes. And I let it go for 5 minutes. Then I will let it set for 5 minutes after the timer's up, and then I put it on ice water for 5 minutes. And it comes out with some nice eggs, hard-boiled eggs that are very easy to peel. Instant Pot is really good appliance to have. Okay, I'm gonna make some egg salad with my hard-boiled eggs. First, I'm gonna show you how easy they are to peel from the Instant Pot. Just like that. And you have a nice peeled egg. A lot of people don't like egg salad. I love it. And I make a 1-point egg salad, so it comes out really good. Egg number 2. See how it comes out? Oh, so great. There it is, all peeled. Now I'm going to mash up the egg. Slippery little suckers. See how nice they are? Yellow, no green. Perfect. Perfect hard-boiled eggs. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of light Miracle Whip. Light Miracle Whip. It's the teaspoon measure, so I'm using just about 2 tablespoons. 3 teaspoons equal 1 tablespoon. And I can't find my tablespoon measurement. And I'm going to mash that together. I'm going to put some onion salt, a little bit of chopped onion, just to sprinkle, maybe about 1/2 teaspoon. Celery seed, I love celery seed. Sprinkle some of that. And my last ingredient is some mustard. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit of pepper. And now I have my lunch salad all ready. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for a little bit. 1 point for all that. Now I'm gonna go for another walk. Get those steps in. So here is my lunch. It is 2 points for the bread and 1 point for the light mayo with an apple. So that would be a 3-point lunch. I'll see you at dinner. This is my dinner for tonight. I made a top sirloin in my new Ninja air fryer combo griller, an ear of corn. I have 1 cup of pasta noodles and 1/2 cup of sauce. And that is my meal for tonight. It's after dinner. I'm having another iced coffee for 1 point. And I had a really good dinner. I made a steak in my new Ninja combo air fryer and griller, and the steak was so good. It came out perfectly medium rare. So I'm going to be making some more things in that. It's a combination, so I'm going to use it for an air fryer or a griller or a dehydrator or a baker and a roaster. So we'll be doing some things in that. Snack this evening, I'm having a bag of Quest tortilla style protein chips. They are 3 points for the entire bag. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of this salsa con queso for 1 point. So that's going to be a 4-point snack. I heated up the cheese a little bit, and I will be dipping the chips in. 4 points. Yummy, yummy, yummy. There's my snack. I like to dip. So cheese chips dipped in cheese. So I'm making a little snack this evening, little sweet treat. Pizzelles. These are 6 pizzelles for 5 points. I'm only using 1, so it's 1 point. And I'm gonna spread it with some of this strawberry jelly that is 0 points for 1 tablespoon. So I'm taking the pizzelle and I'm going to put the strawberry on it. Like that. And then I'm going to take some Cool Whip and top it with that. And that is my little sweet treat for tonight. It's sweet and crunchy. And it's really tasty. These pizzelles are so good. This is a 2-point snack. 1 point for the Cool Whip and one point for the pizzelle, which now is a sandwich because it landed together. That was so good. Now I had to make my husband one. I'm ending the day with 24 out of 24 points available for the Weight Watcher Blue Plan. I hope you enjoyed sharing the day with me. Please comment below if you're going to try any of these recipes or any snacks that I may have made. So that's going to wrap up my What I Ate in a Day video. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!